Tired of seeing hair on your brush every morning? You're not alone. Let's explore some effective and natural home remedies for hair fall. Today, we're diving into simple ways to keep your hair healthy and strong, using ingredients you can find right in your kitchen. Before we fix the problem, let's understand the causes. High stress levels from work or study can significantly impact your hair's growth cycle. A diet high in processed foods lacks the essential vitamins your follicles need. Combined with city pollution, your hair faces a constant battle. Even daily exposure to dust and harsh chemicals in the air can weaken your hair strands, leading to premature thinning and breakage. First up is the miracle plant, aloe vera. It has been used for centuries to soothe the scalp and unblock hair follicles. Apply the fresh gel directly to your scalp. It helps balance pH levels and reduces dandruff, creating a healthy environment for growth. Leave it on for about 45 minutes before rinsing. Your scalp will feel refreshed, hydrated, and much more comfortable. Next is a powerhouse, onion juice. While it sounds unusual, onion juice is incredibly rich in sulfur, which prevents thinning. Use a cotton ball to dab the juice onto your roots. The smell is strong, but the sulfur helps boost collagen production for hair. This remedy strengthens the hair from the base. Be sure to wash it off thoroughly with a mild shampoo after 30 minutes. Never underestimate the power of a good scalp massage. Warm up some coconut or almond oil for a deeply nourishing treatment. Using your fingertips, massage in gentle circular motions. This increases blood flow to the scalp, ensuring nutrients reach every follicle. This routine not only strengthens your hair but also helps you de-stress, addressing one of the root causes of hair loss. What you put inside your body matters too. A diet rich in protein, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids is vital for hair health. Stay hydrated and try to incorporate stress-relieving activities like yoga into your daily routine to balance your hormones. Consistency is the most important ingredient. After a few weeks of these natural habits, you'll start to notice a real difference. Look at that. Thicker, shinier, and healthier hair is possible without expensive chemicals. It just takes a little patience. Remember, be consistent and stay natural. Thanks for watching, and here's to your healthy hair journey.